Hello and welcome to EasyEcom. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of manually assigning carrier partners to your orders. To streamline your order management process, the system automatically assigns confirmed orders to your carrier partners in a single go, based on the shipping rules you have set in the system. You can set shipping rules based on factors like assigning a preference number to carrier partners or based on the order's weight, price, quantity, volume, etc. However, in case you want to ship an order via a specific carrier for some reason, you can manually assign a carrier partner or change the assigned carrier partner. You can manually assign a carrier partner to your orders one by one. In order to do that, you can follow the one-by-one order processing method or assign carrier partners from the Shipping tab in the Order Details section. You can also change the assigned carrier partner by clicking on Unassign, and then select another carrier partner from the drop-down options. In case you also want to change the warehouse that will fulfill your order, you need to first change the warehouse location in the system before manually assigning a carrier partner. This is a mandatory requirement since the warehouse location is shared with the carrier partner. If you have any questions, write to us at care@easyecom.io. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get weekly updates on how to streamline your e-commerce operations with EasyEcom.